Welcome back. If you were injured in an accident, you're going to want personal attention from your attorney. And that's where our next guest comes into play. Let's welcome attorney Jonathan Weber to the show. Jonathan, welcome. Tell us, what makes your firm different from the others?
Well, what makes me different is that I can give my clients personal attention that they're really not going to get if they try to get out with another bigger law firm where they're just going to hit a wall of paralegals, assistants, people answering the phone that actually kind of barricade the attorney away from the client, which is backwards of how it should be. My clients can get a hold of me anytime they want. They call me directly. I call them directly to give them status on how things are going. So I've been practicing since 2015 that way, been practicing as an attorney total since 2000, and I love practicing this way. I can really give my clients the personal service I think they deserve.
I think you touched on it there. Your availability to your clients. You're available 24/7. I'm not going through a bunch of other people. If I need you, I'm talking directly to you.
You've got that right. And my clients can call me on the weekends. They can text or email me before or after hours. If they need me to come out to see them, they can have me arrange to do that. Now, other attorneys will advertise that they do that, but they're not going to drive out and actually see their clients. They've got a big firm they've got to handle and be with. I am my own law firm. I'm a solo attorney, so I actually do get out to see my clients whenever they need me to.
We got about 60 seconds. I want to talk about specific incidents and how people should handle them. What is the first thing we should do if we're in a car accident?
If you're in a car accident, make sure you're okay and the people that are in your car are okay. Second, make sure that you're documenting everything, taking pictures. Don't be afraid to call police so they'll document who was at fault. They may be able to cite the other person, and that way that helps me take a couple of steps ahead to make sure I can prove fault and get your injury claim started for you properly.
All right, I think a lot of people are now outside more. If someone is, let's say they're walking a dog and they're bitten by a dog, what should they do then?
Absolutely. If you can, get a picture of that dog. Second, document everything, where it happened, when it happened, and then you may even want to be able to call animal control and file a complaint and see if there's been a history with that dog, especially if it's a dangerous breed. And that gets into statutorily Nevada, what types of breeds are dangerous and whether it was out of control of the owner. So all those things are really super important to document right after it happens.
All right, got less than 30 seconds. Slip and fall. Someone's involved in a slip and fall. What should they do?
It's tough. In Nevada, those are real tough cases to prove because you have to have either actual or constructive notice that there was a danger that the business owner should have known about or did know about before you got there. You actually have to be able to prove that. If there were cones set up, if there weren't, if an employee says, oh yeah, I knew there was water or there was a substance there you could have slipped on, but I just didn't get there in time. And that doesn't happen very often. So those are tough to prove right out of the gates.
Well, Jonathan, we truly appreciate your time. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you, sir.
Get in touch with the experts at Weber Law Firm by giving them a call at 702-538-5761 and find them online at weber-lawfirm.com for more. Mercedes?